If you do fly a lot, your drone, it's very important to keep them up to date, especially with new security updates or new database updates. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can update the DJI RC normal controller with a new update from DJI. It's very simple. All you have to do and all you need to have is the normal controller from DJI, your phone, which you need to be connected with your account as well, and access to internet, and that's it. And I'm gonna show you now how you can update that. It's, as I said, it's very simple. You just connect your phone to RC controller, and from there just checking for new updates and install them. So let's update the DJI RC controller. So once you got your DJI RC normal controller and your phone ready, let's have a look. Open the DJI Flyup, and there you go. You'll have to switch on your DJI controller, and okay, now mine is switched on, so let's connect both them devices. Okay, so it's no point to put the phone inside, so I'll just connect this to the phone. Okay, so as you see now, it's connected to DJI Flyup. Depending on what phone you're using, it might ask you to what kind of option you want USB to do. So you'll have to choose transfer files. Once you've done that, you'll just go into profile and go settings, and from here you're gonna have to check firmware updates, and as you can see now from the screen, there is some available, so all you have to do is just click update, and now as you can see now from the screen, it's showing which ones and what kind of improvements have they made. So basically they have made some optimization for Huawei Mate 60 series, and let's install them. It's very simple. It's not rocket science process, but it's good to know, and that's why I'm showing you, for you to find out how to do that. It takes a while, so you might have to wait a bit. I don't think more than 5 minutes, depending on how big the updates are, but as you can see from the video. Alright, so from here I got an error, so he's asking me to restart the device and try again. Let's have a look. It's really weird because I never had this issue before. So we're still waiting. We're still waiting for this. Anyway guys, feel free to check my other videos, for example how to, from playlist, and you probably may find some useful videos for you to watch. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, please. So now you say it's installing, and let's have a look if I'm gonna get another. Okay, so as you can see here now, it's updated successful, and now the normal controller will restart automatically, and that's it. It's all done. Let's have a look if it has been updated. Okay, yeah, it's all done. You can check again for new versions, for new updates, but it's nothing showing. And to check any FlySafe database, you'll have to connect to DJI drones. So we can go back. it's all done. So yeah, it's very simple, and thank you again. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed my video, please feel free to subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you. See you in next video.